Yo, what's up, humans? So I decided to do, I don't know if I'm gonna call it a vlog or docu-series, but on this one, I'm just gonna be taking everyone on the process of like the whole clothing lines and all this stuff. So I got like very cool and exciting news. I just bought my very own heat press, so I'm gonna do my own thing, because I had people that were printing for me and they did. It's gonna take me like a while to throw up because I'm gonna be saving up money and buying all the equipment. So right now I'm gonna do the unboxing and I'm gonna tell you the price of the heat press and I'm gonna tell you where you can buy it, and if you want to know you can write there in the comment section below. And yeah, so let's go get it.
They're waiting for me now to drop. They're waiting for me now to drop. Yeah, putting each rapper to sleep, putting each nigga to sleep. Yeah, they're waiting for me now to drop. They're waiting for me now to drop. Yeah, putting each.
It makes sense to me for print together in my car seat because they are right there in my car seat. Because I found other people that printers, but they were in Randburg and they wanted to charge me like 2 times this, you know. And me, I was like, hey, shit, I'm saving. And then it took them 3 months. No, not 3 months. It took them close to 4 weeks to even print. And the thing that they printed, no one studios is gonna show you the thing that they printed, but it wasn't exactly the thing that I wanted because I even sent them the mock-up, show them the mock-up. I said the mock-up must look like this, and then they decided to do their own thing, right? So I just had a fuck you watch this moment, you know. Looking around for heat press, and I want to send a special shout out to Street Carnival, because I sent a DM to him. I was asking him, I was like, yo, Street Carnival, I see that you are printing, so I wanted to know how do you do that thing. And he told me like, yo, you can get a heat press, and by God's grace I found the heat press. The heat press that I was looking at were around like 10, 15, 80. It was like, yeah, it was tough. It was tough, but I managed to find a heat press, and my heat press costed, I'm gonna show you this sleep and I'm gonna show you another one. So yeah, I don't wanna say it because it gives me depression when I think about it. It's time to unbox the heat press. I'm very excited because now I'm gonna start doing the heat pressing myself, and in the future I'm gonna do it for other clients. So if you want to do your own brand and all that stuff, you know, I can design for you and print for you in house. So you know, holla at your boy. So it's her. I got my knife, you know, very clean, very cool. Can't get this exclusive. You know, I'm about to open the heat press, so you wanna see how it looks like. Listening to raps in the background, you know, listen to your homies, my bitch. You know, I've been waiting for this since I was, I don't know. So this is the heat press, and this is the company where I bought it from. Perfect Laser, and the price again. So this is how much it costed me to get the thing. White hoodie and white t-shirts, but the previous printers, they fucked it up, so I need to go and restock on the white t-shirt. I think the next episode is gonna be like where to go and buy printing stuff. Yeah.